This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news.
Most humanoid robots today are built to lift heavy boxes, stack shelves, or work on factory floors. But what if the hardest job isn't lifting something heavy? It's cleaning something that breaks with one wrong move. Researchers are now training humanoid robots to clean massive glass windows in commercial buildings. And that sounds simple until you realize what is actually happening. The robot has to understand how much pressure it's applying every millisecond. Too much force and it could crack an expensive glass panel. Too little and it leaves streaks everywhere. It also has to balance itself while reaching across large surfaces, adjust to changing reflections, avoid window frames, and continuously correct its movements in real time. That's an incredibly difficult combination of vision, touch, and whole body coordination. Why does this matter? Because window cleaning is one of the most dangerous maintenance jobs in the world. Human workers often spend hours suspended hundreds of feet above the ground. If humanoid robots can safely handle fragile glass, they could eventually take over some of these high-risk tasks while people supervise from the ground. And this is about much more than cleaning windows. A robot that can delicately wipe a giant sheet of glass without breaking it is also learning the precise control needed for hospitals, laboratories, electronics manufacturing, and countless other jobs where a single mistake is expensive. The age of robots isn't just about strength anymore, it's about precision, and that's where the next major breakthrough is happening. If you want to stay ahead of the biggest AI and robotics breakthroughs, subscribe to AIX.